In this class, we will look at some tips that aim to facilitate and accelerate the creation of assemblies. Opening up the assembly environment, we'll start the class. To create an assembly, 2 or more parts are required. To open assemblies and insert components faster, just open the folder that was available in the class and drag the file wheelchair mount with IM extension. Note that the assembly appears to be incomplete, but don't worry, the items have been purposely hidden or suppressed. By analyzing the project tree, also called the navigation bar, we can see several types of icons. They make it possible to identify different components of the assembly. See the description in this list. The first icon, represented by the set of 3 small cubes, indicates the assembly. The larger cube indicates only one part of the assembly. When there is an assembly icon similar to the design tree, we say it is a subassembly, i.e., an assembly of a smaller component, inserted into the final assembly project. In this case, we have 2 subassemblies, which are the smaller wheels. This small pin, on some of the icons, indicates that the part or subassembly is fixed, meaning it will not be possible to move them. The opaque and grayish icons indicate components that have visibility disabled, that is, they are loaded on the desktop, but invisible. We can right-click on these components and enable the visibility option. Opaque and strike-through icons with a line indicate suppressed components. Unlike the previous case, suppressed components are not loaded to the desktop. Thus, this option is very useful for minimizing RAM usage in case of large mounts. Since it is possible to suppress all components and only work with those that are needed, we can deselect the suppress option to display the components. There are other types of icons, such as these 2 yellow cubes, which indicate a piece that consists of 2 or more bodies. By opening the folder, we can drag the rotor file directly to the graphic area. If the folder is not open, you can click the Insert feature or use the P key and search your documents for the file. To finish, keep track of the modifications in the project tree. In this class, we saw some tips that guarantee a better performance in the assembly process.